This is Akaya coming at you. I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. Today we have a special guest, my mom. What we're going to be doing, you guys, today, I am going to be redoing these chairs. They are like a white color. They've been kind of outside for a while, so you know it's time to be able to redo them. My mom is the expert when it comes to, you guys, I'm telling you, redoing things, painting, all that good stuff. So if you're looking for somebody to do that and you're in the Atlanta area, hit me up, and I'm telling you, she can remodel and paint up everything. Whatever you have, she can do it. First, what you want to do first is what she told me is you got to clean up your area. So wherever you guys, because like I told you guys, I'm moving, so I got stuff everywhere. So if you see stuff in the background, I'm moving. We went ahead and cleaned the actual floors. She used her Dawn and baking soda. Like I told you guys, look how clean this is. When I say this was so nasty, not nasty, but dusty, very dusty. She got it all pretty. So she's going to walk you through what you have to do when you first start off painting a wicker chair.
Okay, the first thing you want to do is that it might have a little dirt out on it from being outside and stuff. You need a brush so you can clean up all the dirt. And you know, since it's been outside and stuff, you'll see bugs accumulating in and everything. Just sweep it like this with a little brush. This is the brush I'm using. And then I'm going to also tip it over. Well, actually, I'm going to tip it over first because I want to get the bottom of it. So
okay.
I'm going to flip it over on its side like this, and then I'm going to sweep up all the stuff like this, every little dust particle and everything I'm doing. And if you see this head scarf, it's because I use a head scarf. I use a mask, but today I got this head scarf on, so I won't get dust all in my lungs and stuff. So I'm sweeping in real good and stuff, making sure I get all the dirt off of it and the leaves that accumulate and stuff. So I'm just sweeping this right here, sweeping this right here. All in through here, so you see stuff. You can get kind of close. You see stuff in here, and that's only from being outside. And then I'll pick it up again, and I'll sweep the inside of it.
And that's so good, guys, that she's talking about sweeping, because I'm not going to even lie. I ain't even think about cleaning it. So that right there lets you know, you know.
Pick it up and sweep that. And these wasn't really dirty and had no bugs on them, so that was good. Now, next thing we're going to do is we're going to wash them down.
Okay.
So we're going to wash them down. And Ty already prepared me some water. She got some Dawn and water in here. So we're going to take this. What, baby? And
I was just going to say, you guys, what I'm going to do, y'all, is I'm going to let you see her do this one, but I'm going to do the other one. So we're going to not show you the other one, but just really pay attention to how you do this one. And we'll come back when we done, you know, with both of them. Yeah. But here you go.
Okay. And, you know, we couldn't use the hose, but I'm trying to hurry up and get this stain. Because we're going to use some stain. We'll show you the stain we're using later. So we just clean it all up. Flip it on the other side. And like I said, they're not that dirty, so that's why I'm going fast with it. Just get it off. Do the legs and the back. And then I can just see it's not sopping wet.
Okay, good.
We were going to use the hose, but I don't suggest that because it's going to be real wet.
Okay.
And we need to hurry up and get it done because I got to hurry up and stain it. Okay. And that's how you do it.
Okay, guys. So that's how you do that. So we'll be back at you guys once we get a little further. And I'm about to clean this one because I don't want my mom doing all the work, y'all. And then we'll be back. Did you have something else you want to say? Oh, okay. Okay, we'll be back, guys.
Okay. Okay, we are going to be using, we put a little stain on here because my daughter wanted to see what it looked like and everything. But we actually are going to be using this Olympic Maximum Stain Sealant in 1. I never used this before. I used stain before, but I never used this kind before. And I love the fact that this right here, it was only $9. We found it in the Oops paint. And not only that, it's soap and water cleanup. Yay! So here's a little sample of how it's going to look. Just a little bit of it. You might I can't see it, but I wanted to make sure me and my daughter liked it. And so far, it's beautiful. So after we get it all stained up, then we'll show you tomorrow, because I'm gonna be working on them tomorrow, but we had to hurry up and wash them, and we already did all that. Yeah. So tomorrow I'm actually gonna be starting on it.
Okay, guys, and it's all. Oh, I'm sorry.
Oh, and our brushes we upstairs. This is my first time staining some wicker chairs, so I'm gonna use 2 sponge brushes and a regular brush. So we'll see how it is.
Okay, and you can get all that from Home Depot. Yeah. We got both of this. I'm sorry, Lowe's. Yeah. Please forgive me, Lowe's. Yeah, Lowe's. And it's funny, you guys, because this is really the color and the paint that I had wanted when I seen a girl had used it, and we just happened again. You guys, make sure you go to the Oops paint, because I ain't know anything about the ooze paint. So anytime you're looking for that, say, please show me where the ooze paint is. And this was regular, you guys, $37, and we got it for $9. Like $9. See, we is doing good, yeah. Okay, and like I said, my mom told me about the ooze paint. I ain't know nothing about it, and that is how it's gonna look. It looks so stain and sealing. And if you're looking for paint, they got paint over there too, and other things. Okay, guys, stay tuned to the end results. Okay, guys. Did you have anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay, bye, guys. Okay. Guys, I just wanted to show you again the paint that we are using. Here we go. And then when I say, guys, this paint is really pretty. Stain. I keep saying paint.
It's working like
stain. But she said it works just like paint. Like, you know, sometimes stain is hard to, you know, you got to keep putting coats and stuff. But this is a really nice stain. And she's over there painting it as we speak. And she have her ancient mama headscarf on, y'all, because you always want to, you see how she got that headscarf as well as the face mask, because it's always good, and the gloves. She for real, y'all. I'm telling you, like she don't play. So I'm telling you guys, if you are looking for somebody to redo your tables, chairs, anything, and you're in the Atlanta, Kennesaw, Marietta, just Atlanta area, just in general, you will love her work. I'm telling you, it's really good.
And I got the headscarf on because I don't want no hair in the pot.
Oh yeah, and she got her headscarf on too because she don't want any hair inside of the paint as she painting. That's some pretty paint, y'all. Oh, I can't wait to. And it's so funny, y'all, how we found this paint. Like I said, we told you it was oops paint. I really wanted to go light like this, but we kept looking. We couldn't find it. And I actually found a video on YouTube that was using this similar brand. And when she found it for $9 in the oops paint, regular $37, I just knew that was a blessing. Like, for real. What I'm about to do is I am about to put a glue gun, or that glue gun. I am going to fix this because you see, guys, how is this coming undone? You know me, y'all know I would have just painted it like this. My mom was like, no, you can't paint that like that. So I'm finna get this glued up, and then we're gonna paint this the next day, and we're working on it. Just wanted to show you guys the process. And I can't wait to show you guys the end result. And the thing that I really like about this, as well as you guys, I like about this paint, is it look like wicker, like in that, like that wicker stain type look. And I love it because, again, you guys, these chairs are wicker, right, Ma? Are they wicker?
It's wicker and
plastic.
It's wicker, but it's almost making it look like rattan. So that's even better.
Okay, what's that called? You just said
rattan.
What's rattan, babe?
Rattan is some furniture too, but that's what it's looking like. If people know what rattan is, they'll know what I'm talking about. Okay. And it's beautiful, and you just stencil it. It's almost like you stenciling. You don't put it on heavy, because if you put it on too heavy, it's gonna go through the thing. So just kind of like do just like this. And the paint is so, the stain is so thick, awesome. Don't hardly have a smell to it. Okay. But I got a mask on because I don't want it to smell it. And just awesome. Okay. You can use this brush right here. Here's a brush right here. Okay, there's the brush that we're using. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Did you mind? Was you gonna still use that sponge brush? Because we also, you guys, use that sponge brush. Are you gonna be using that? I'm not sure if I'm gonna even need that sponge brush. I'm just saying, because this just working. This paint, this stain is so awesome. I never seen stain work like this. Okay, cool. Okay. I might not have to brush it off or anything. I hope not. Like right now, guys, again, like I told you guys, we're in my garage fixing these chairs up. So let's continue, and I'll come back, you guys. Okay, stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are about, what'd you say, Ma, about like 20 minutes in? I don't know, I started at 6. Okay, so she's 6:15, I think. 6:15, and it's like 7:36 now. And I'm just and she's just doing the back. She only doing one side today. You want to do one side because, I'm sorry, I'm gonna let her tell you. Okay. What I was saying was, what she was basically saying too, she gonna do this side first, and then you're gonna do the other side, and always make sure you leave these legs undone first, so you can be able to move it around and stuff, and then once it dry, then you can be able to do the legs. But it takes a process. Oh yeah, and she told me to tell you guys to put a fan on. Oh, that fan real cold too, Mom. Woo, Lord. So we got the fan on, but I just wanted to come at you guys and just show you how good this is looking. And it's so funny, y'all, because I looked on Google at a whole bunch of different colors. And this is really like, when your mind envisions something, you know what you want, but you couldn't find it. All of a sudden, guys, like I told y'all, God let me find this, y'all. It was called Ooze Paint, $9. My mom was like, because I didn't see it. She was like, oh, here go one right here. I was like, oh my God. I love this, y'all. This is what I envision when I think of wicker. So here we go, y'all. Just like I said, we just kind of in the middle. It's like paint.
She said it's just like paint. We are staining. This is not paint. It's stain. And again, let me show you guys the stain. There you go. Olympus Maximum. And it's a base 2 and it's a solid color. And here's the top. Oh yeah, okay. Because I didn't know what that meant. What that means? Solid color. Okay.
It's a solid color, you know, like solid ink. Color, but you know, somebody mixed it up and they didn't like it.
Okay. And again, you guys, this is Oops Paint. This is when somebody, again, like she said, mix up something and don't like it. We got it for $9. This is regular like $37.84. That's how much it ranged up for. And that's how much I thought I was going to pay. Because like I said, I seen a post using this. Not this particular one, but this brand. And I'm loving it.
It's just like you stenciling. When you know, stenciling. But you don't want to put too much on there, so you just like stenciling, and it's just awesome. I've never seen those things like this.
Oh, cool. It's just so funny, y'all, how you can take something so old and make it so new. And I was telling them on my Facebook Live earlier that how you was like soap and water. You'll be so amazed how nice something will get if you just put soap and water or paint it, like for real. And you know, you don't always gotta throw it in the trash. Because I'm telling you guys, these chairs was going for, I think I seen them on for like $90 or something like that. And I had these for a while. They was outside. They were pretty when I first got them, you know, but the color went bad. So this is what we doing. I'm doing my wicker. It was never this color.
You're gonna paint it. That's gonna make I hate half done stuff.
And she a perfectionist, y'all, just like me.
I don't want to half done stuff. Everything should match. You should do the underside as well as the front part.
Okay. She said do the underside. Make sure you do everything. Don't leave. Because she has seen this one girl. She did half. Like she didn't do the bottom. And she was like, now come on now. If you're going to do the job, you got to do it right. Look at that precision. I'm telling you guys, if y'all need somebody, you better look her up. Excellent pricing. Just real good. And I'm telling you, she a perfectionist. So you go get it perfect. And yes, y'all say ain't no such nigga perfect. look at her going around there in her eyes and my eyes. I'm telling you, this be good.
This reflects me. I like it to look nice.
Right. Looking good. Okay, y'all. I just wanted to come in the middle. She got the little setup going on right there, y'all. So make sure y'all set up. And one thing she wanted me to tell y'all too, put some cardboard at the bottom of the chairs, so you can be, yeah, because it tends to drip. And make sure you put you a shower curtain. Cheap. You don't got to go buy no drop cloth. You know, I like drop cloths, don't get me wrong, but shower curtains at the Dollar Tree is much cheaper. And then y'all, we have some trash bags. So I'm just showing you guys what to do so you won't get paint anywhere. She don't got no paint on the walls. She don't got no paint on the floor. That's how you know you're doing a good job. Or on her. That's how you know you're doing a good job, when you don't got it all over the place and slung over the place. And she got gloves on. Like I said, a mask, you know, and all that.
Yeah, when you first start painting, you might have paint all over the place. And that's okay. But after a while, you should not be slinging paint everywhere.
Okay.
So you got to get that same paint up.
Right. And you see how she got her head covered and her face. You always want to do that. And like I said, you guys, I am in the garage. So if y'all see the background looking crazy, that's our garage and we just moving. So that's it. Okay, y'all, I will be back with the rest. Hey guys, we are back at it again. I wanted to get this on camera because I've been super busy trying to get my garage sale stuff together. So I wanted to get some of this on video. She already she did another coat, you guys, of the first chair. And what you have to do basically is most definitely let it dry. But I'm gonna let her tell you. Go ahead, Mom. Sorry.
Yeah, we did this chair right here, and what we're doing is that it needed a second coat, and it has to dry. It's not gonna take 2 or 3 days. It's gonna be like a long time for it to dry, at least a week or so. And so we just touched it up, and now we are on this chair right here. And so far, it's going good. The paint is good. The smell's not bad at all. We got a fan going, so it's awesome so far.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how she is. Looking real good, y'all. Like real nice. And she had to fix one of the little pieces right here, y'all, because it was off. And she wound up finding it. You found that real quick. I appreciate that, Mom. Like for real.
I mean,
And now y'all, like sometimes I don't remember, but that probably had it rocking. Now I won't have problems, you guys. Sometimes, and that's one good tip, y'all. If you having problems with anything rocking, check these right here. Yeah, or unleveled. Just check them, and I bet you might need to just add those. And you get those from the Home Depot or Lowe's. Oh yeah, because I really love Lowe's. I need to really enforce Lowe's. I don't know what it is about Lowe's, but I do.
Yeah, not expensive or nothing.
Okay. Did you want to tell them anything about it? They had
And I have not wiped the stain off and anything. It's just, it goes on just like paint. So I haven't wiped nothing off. I just keep on putting another coat. This is the second. This is the first coat for this chair right here. That's the second coat for that chair.
Okay.
On the bottom. We haven't got the top yet.
Okay. So again, y'all got to do the bottom first. Let that dry, and then do the top. And
very tedious. It's a very tedious job. I got this little skinny brush right here. This fat brush right here, and an art brush. You always need an art brush. This is awesome because it's getting in all kind of corners and stuff, so awesome. So get to that. Other than that, it's tedious, but coming out beautiful.
Yeah, she's doing a real good job, y'all. She got a little setup right there.
And I got this hair scarf on because I don't want no stain in my hair.
Yeah, yep, most definitely, because she got braids, y'all.
And I don't want no stains in the stain.
Oh, yeah, hair in the stain. So y'all make sure y'all put y'all hair up and cover it. But it's looking real good. She's doing a real good job, y'all. This is some hard work, but she love it. But you know, it looks real good, real nice. Okay, y'all. If you didn't have anything, baby girl, we'll get off. I just wanted to come real quick and show you what our progress is. She started on the other chair. And it ain't no paint all over the place, y'all. That's why you make sure you put shower curtains down and cardboard. Yep, she said cardboard is really good for it. So just make sure you guys not, you know, take your time. And we got a fan going too.
And it doesn't stink that bad.
It really don't do it. Because that one spray paint that we tried, that stuff stank real bad.
I do have a mask if I want to put it on. Sometimes I put it on, but the garage door is open. We got fan going on. So
okay, cool. Yeah. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, I wanted to show you the end results. My mom done such a gorgeous job, such an excellent job. She did wind up, you guys, she wanted to tell you guys, make sure you put some hefty bags on the bottom so you can be able to paint in increments. You'll do the top of the actual chair first, and then you'll do the back. But these are the end results. They are looking nice. If you are looking for someone to redo your furniture, she's able to do tables, chairs, all kind of stuff. I know she would love to do it. So make sure you guys leave me a comment. She's in, again, the Atlanta area, Atlanta, Smyrna, Kennesaw, Georgia area, and wherever. She would love to be able to fix up your furniture. But just wanted to show you guys the end result. And I'm going to wait till they dry. You always want to let them dry for about a week, just to be on the safe side. And then once they dry, I'm going to go to the store and get some cushions. I'm going to let her pick out the cushions for our new for our home. She's going to pick some nice colors. Okay, guys, take care. Hopefully that helped. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you remodeled your chairs, let me know how they came out. Okay, guys?